Hello, welcome to the Click Experts, and today we're going to discuss a little bit more about ChatGPT. There was a prior video we made with an introductory to ChatGPT and exactly what it does and what it is. What is ChatGPT? So today we'll get into a little bit more detail about a specific task that it can perform, and we'll look at coding, programming, and we'll ask it these questions and see what exactly it can do. So let's look at this, and let's just start off by asking it, playing around with it, asking it some questions. Can you code? So we basically just ask ChatGPT if it can code. As an AI language model, I can generate code in various programming languages based on the input and requirements provided to me. However, I do not have access to execute the code directly on a computer or server, as I am an online service. I can provide code examples and explanations, as well as help with debugging and algorithm design. That's interesting. Okay, so this can be, if this is definitely going to be something that takes jobs away from coders, from programmers. Are all coders and programmers going to be, fired? Are all of them going to be obsolete? I don't believe so. I believe that there will be a core group of coders that will be kept, and they will probably take care of maintenance, or they will be edit the code. But if it can really do this, and this is just the beginning stages, there's going to be an issue. So let's ask it to write some code for us, just to get an idea. Let's see. Can you write an example of code using the Swift programming language? So that's okay. Certainly. There we go. Hello world. This is hello world in the coding world. That's the first thing you learn when you first walk into class, how to say hello world on a website or something. I remember that. So it's hello world. That's and they even have a copy here thing where you can copy this and just paste it in there. Wow. This code issues the print function on Swift and output the string to hello world. Okay, this is decent. Let's ask it to do something a little more complex. Okay. Please write a program. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, please write a program that allows users to add friends to a friends list on an application. Let's see now. Sure. Oh, okay. So we basically asked it to write us a program using the programming language Swift on an application. And wow, it's just writing it. Okay. Okay, so this is decent. This is impressive. Now, I've coded in other languages. I'm not very proficient in Swift, but it looks legit, and it has a copy, icon here. You can copy it and paste it and see how it works. And this is going to be an issue for coders who have jobs, because I see that they're currently firing people from the Googles and the Facebooks and other various software firms, where once something like this is created, you no longer need them. And it's nothing personal. It's probably just business, because they need to do it because their competitors are going to fire people, and they're just going to use this, and it's going to become too competitive. So now you have this AI that codes, and they're proficient in it. Again, I believe that they're not going to get rid of all coders, but they're going to get rid of a lot more coders and programmers than they've gotten rid of so far, just for the simple fact that they don't need them. They can, instead of 50 coders, all you need is 2 to 3 solid coders that can just sit there and just basically tell it to write, and then go through it and make sure that the code is correct and test it and edit it. You're not going to need a bunch of people coding right now. Just with this tool, it just completely changed things overnight. And that's how fast everything can change overnight, just in general in the job market, especially now dealing with AI. There's just going to be so much competition dealing with AI, as far as the person being able to sit at a computer and just write these things. So that's dealing with the code. And I just wanted to do a short video on this to kind of show the versatility of ChatGPT. And I think you should go into the description, add ChatGPT, and just test it out and see how it works. And just ask it different things. That's the best way to do it. This is the free version. So right now we're on the free version. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, and we will return with our next video soon. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Also, thank you to all those who subscribe and donate. You make it possible for us to continue creating great